Suppose if we discovered a mysterious portal at the Mariana Trench's bottom that could drain all of Earth's oceans, how much time would it need? Years? Centuries? Millennia? When the pumping was finished, would there still be any life on Earth? What if it occurred overnight? 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered in ocean water. How much liquid exactly is that? It would take hundreds of thousands of years to pump the oceans out if we dug a drainage hole the size of a basketball court. Over 1 billion cubic kilometers, 321 million cubic miles, of water are stored in them. However, what if we had a pump that could quickly empty all of the oceans? What would transpire next? Sure enough, swimmers, sailors, and cruise passengers would all quickly experience the effects. Boaters and swimmers in shallow water would collide with the bottom in a split second. They could get away with breaking a few bones. Ships in the deep ocean wouldn't have it so good. In just 30 seconds, a liner the size of the Titanic would sink to the bottom and break into tiny pieces. Within the first minute, nearly every large ship would experience the same thing. What about all of the marine life? The reply is already known to you. It would in a real sense be pouring fish, since every one of the whales, dolphins and other large seagoing creatures inquisitively investigating the surface would tumbling to the seafloor. Regarding those who are already near the bottom, it would be a miracle if they did not sink with the water down the drain. Furthermore, that is the point at which the genuine difficulty would start. Our oceans serve two vital functions. First, they direct worldwide temperatures by engrossing energy from the sun. They circulate cold water back to the equator and push warm tropical waters north and south. So, no place on Earth will ever get too hot or cold. Control of global climate. Second, oceans contribute to the water cycle by evaporating into the atmosphere, where it rains back down to Earth. Earth would become a vast desert as soon as the oceans disappeared. Put away your umbrella right now, since it's at absolutely no point ever going to rain in the future. Wait a minute. What about all the rivers and lakes? Can we not make do with those? Well, the world would lose 97% of its water if there were no oceans. There wouldn't be enough liquid left to keep the water cycle going. The pools of potable water would quickly disappear. The majority of animals and humans would perish from dehydration in a matter of days. Plants would have half a month prior to they began rotting in the dry air. Forests would begin massive die-offs within a few months. Eventually, all of this dry, dead vegetation would catch fire. The majority of the world's forests would be destroyed in a matter of years. The atmosphere would lose more and more oxygen as these enormous fires spread across the globe. The unbearable heat and suffocating air would wipe us out forever if there were still humans at this time. With everything taken into account, the Earth would wind up very much like Venus. Cooked. So why not go home for the days and partake in a little oceanside getaway while you can?